And thank you for joining us for news updates. My name is Tandy Wemsumara. Francis held an audience with President Samia Suluhu Hassan of the United Republic of Tanzania on Monday, expressing their joint commitment to promoting peace in the world. The President then met with the Vatican Secretary of State Cardinal Pietro Parolin, accompanied by the Vatican Secretary for Relations with States and International Organizations, Archbishop Paul Richard Gallagher. According to a statement issued by the Holy See Press Office, the discussions in particular record the important role that the Catholic Church plays in the country in favor of the population, especially in the charitable, educational, and healthcare spheres. Attention is said to have also turned to the social context in Tanzania and the challenges the country is required to face, with some discussions focused on the regional situation and international current affairs. Opposition in Parliament, Kondwani Nankoma, has taken a swipe at what he calls a lack of intra-party democracy in some political parties, claiming they have embraced big man syndrome and created rings within the parties. Responding to President Lazarus Chakwera's State of the Nation address SONA early today, Nankoma has bemoaned the rising price of sugar, which is hovering at an average price of 2,500 kwacha, asking authorities to move in quickly to address the rising price of sugar. Nankoma has, however, held the government for winning back the support of donors, as well as securing an ECF package with the IMF. He has also held the decision announced by President Chakwera to let state-owned enterprises bank with the Reserve Bank of Malawi. Nankoma has also asked government to carefully reassess the affordable import program, saying in its state it is unsustainable. In similar news, UDF leader in Parliament Ned Poya has said that there was nothing new in whatever President Chakwera said in the SONA. Among other things, Poya expressed doubts about the 1.3 million jobs which Chakwera said the local economy has created since 2020. Poya said the number one employer in Malawi is the government, and that the government only employs 300,000 people, adding that where he comes from, nobody has been employed. An outbreak of viral conjunctivitis, a disease caused by a virus which affects the eyes and can be spread easily from person to person, has hit Karonga district, with a total of 109 cases registered from February 1st, 2024. Confirming the development, Director of Health Services for the district, David Sivale, has said the cases have been registered across the district and has since advised people to avoid sharing personal items, to wash hands frequently, and avoid rubbing eyes with unclean hands. Signs and symptoms of the disease include pink or red color in the white part of the eye, swelling of the eye lining, increased tear production, itching, eye discharge, painful eye, and visual disturbance. Police in Carter Bay are keeping in custody a 39-year-old Mary Banda for allegedly being found in possession of cannabis sativa, otherwise known as chamba. According to Gondwani James, a Carter Bay police spokesperson, Banda was arrested at Mkuya roadblock in the same district by police officers who were on night duty. James said the officers stopped a minibus that was traveling from Luangwa going to Mzuzu for routine checks, and after conducting a thorough search, 6 bags all containing the illicit drugs were found. Upon inquiry, Banda was established to be the owner, hence her arrest, and he will soon appear before court, and the seized cannabis sativa has been sent to Nyangwa Research Station for further analysis. And in other news, news, Liberia's Defense Minister Prince Charles Johnson III has resigned following protests by wives of the country's soldiers who blame him for low wages and poor living conditions in the military barracks. The women set up roadblocks near the capital Monrovia and elsewhere in the country, forcing President Joseph Boakai to cancel National Army Day celebrations on Monday. They demanded the defense minister's resignation, blaming him for a reduction in the salaries of Liberian soldiers returning from peace missions in Mali, and also decrying a lack of social security, electricity shortages, and corruption within the armed forces. Johnson, in a statement, says he is stepping down due to the current political and civil disturbances occasioned by the protests, but however, he has denied allegations of misusing military funds, adding that his wish was to ensure discipline was instilled in the army. That's about what we had time for in this edition of our news updates. My name is Tandy Websmara. Good afternoon.